Muralu is an anagram of which character? A. Trulamero. Panolita Pilucha is an anagram of which character? B. Ballerina Cappuccina. Lombardio Crocodilo is an anagram of which character? A. Bombardiro Crocodilo. Bilibon Rululilo is an anagram of which character? A. Burbaloni Luliloli. Mirail is an anagram of which character? B. Larila. Trakli Kemiro Zinaib is an anagram of which character? A. Chimpanzini Bananini. Radoda Bimbiro Kodio Lilsi is an anagram of which character? C. Bribri. Ileo Kayula Rabiania is an anagram of which character? B. Cappuccino Assassino. Barali Bacioni Licina is an anagram of which character? A. Sahur Amobra Liakmel is an anagram of which character? A. Frigo Camelo. If you mix cappuccino with assassino, what existing character does it most resemble? A. Cappuccino Assassino. If you mix ballerina with cappuccina, what existing character does it most resemble? A. Ballerina Cappuccina. If you mix chimpanzini with bananini, what existing character does it most resemble? A. Chimpanzini Bananini. If you mix mato with brie-brie, what existing character does it most resemble? B. Mato. If you mix bombardiro with crocodilo, what existing character does it most resemble? A. Bombardiro Crocodilo. If you mix Trulamero with ballerina, what existing character does it most resemble? C. Trulimero. If you mix Burbaloni with Luliloli, what existing character does it most resemble? C. Burbaloni Luliloli. If you mix Tralalero with Tralala, what existing character does it most resemble? B. Tralalero Tralala. If you mix Frigo with Camelo, what existing character does it most resemble? A. Frigo Camelo. If you mix La Vaca Saturno with Saturnita, what existing character does it most resemble? C. La Vaca Saturno Saturnita. In the sequence Frigo Camelo, Tralalero Tralala, oh, which character would come next based on alphabetical order? C. La Vaca Saturno Saturnita. Following the sequence, Bombardiro, Crocodilo, Trulimero, which character comes next based on name length? A. Burbaloni Luliloli. Among the characters Bribri, Chimpanzini Bananini, Sahur, which one fits the theme of alphabetical order? B. Mateo. Considering the sequence Larila, Matu, Burbaloni, Luliloli, which character should come next in terms of name length? C. Sahur. Which character would logically follow Ballerina Cappuccina, Frigo Camelo, Sahur based on name length? C. La Vaca Saturno Saturnita. In the sequence Tralalero Tralala, Frigo Camelo, Brie-Brie, which character comes next alphabetically? C. Larila. Considering the order Bombardiro Crocodilo, Sahur, Ballerina Cappuccina, what character would come next alphabetically? C. Mato. Following the sequence Burbaloni Luliloli, La Vaca Saturno Saturnita, Chimpanzini Bananini, what character should come next based on name length? C. Cappuccino Assassino. Among the characters Larilla, Ballerina Cappuccina, La Vaca Saturno Saturnita, which one fits the theme of alphabetical order? C. Matteo. Which character would logically follow Bombardiro Crocodilo, Larilla, Brie Brie, based on name length? C. Chimpanzini Bananini. Which character has exactly 4 syllables in their name? B. Trulamero. Which character has the most syllables in their name? C. La Vaca Saturno Saturnita. How many syllables are in the name Ballerina Cappuccina? A5. Which character has the least syllables in their name? A. Sahur. How many syllables are in the name Bombardiro Crocodilo? B. 6. Which character has exactly 3 syllables in their name? A. Larilla. How many syllables are in the name Sahur? A2. Which character has the same number of syllables in their first and last name? A. Brie Brie. How many syllables are in the name Chimpanzini Bananini? B. 6. Which character has the most unique syllables in their name? A. Cappuccino Assassino. Which character has the most letters A in their name? C. Chimpanzini Bananini. Which character has the most double consonants in their name? C. La Vaca Saturno Saturnita. Which character has the most vowels in their name? B. Ballerina Cappuccina. Which character has the most consonants in their name? C. Frigo Camelo. Which character has the most letters O in their name? C. Matu. Which character has the most letters E in their name? C. Bombardiro Crocodilo. Which character has the most vowels in their name? C. La Vaca Saturno Saturnita. Which character has the most letters I in their name? B. Chimpanzini Bananini. Which character has the most double vowels in their name? B. Cappuccino Assassino. Which character has the most letters U in their name? A. Tralalero Tralala. Which character has the word pack hidden in the name? B. Burbaloni Luliloli. Which character contains the word ball? B. Ballerina Cappuccina. Which character has the word loli hidden in the name? B. Burbaloni Luliloli. Which character contains the word cam? A. Frigo Camelo. Which character has the word SA hidden in the name? A. Sahur. Which character contains the word an? A. Chimpanzini Bananini. Which character has the word Leo hidden in the name? B. La Vaca Saturno Saturnita. Which character contains the word Rio? B. Tralalero Tralala. Which character has the word LA hidden in the name? C. Cappuccino Assassino. Which character contains the word Ili? A. Burbaloni Luli Loli. Which character rhymes with bijuteria? A. Matu. Which character rhymes with caro? A. Truly Mero. Which character rhymes with ventilador? C. Burbaloni Luliloli. Which character rhymes with sapato? C. Larila. Which character rhymes with foguete? C. Bribri. Which character rhymes with biscoito? A. Frigo Camelo. Which character rhymes with tigala? B. Ballerina Cappuccina. Which character rhymes with banana? A. Chimpanzini Bananini. Which character rhymes with unicornio? C. Bombardiro Crocodilo. Which character rhymes with computador? C. Cappuccino Assassino.